initially felt called to create these online courses, but what happened was we were called to start coaching.
Yeah.
So, and that was not even in the picture when we were talking about these goals earlier in the year. And we've already launched our coaching services. So even though we didn't necessarily create any online courses, I am still I'm going to let that pass. Like, we're just not going to count that one because we did replace it with something that is of high value.
And I think that's a good point. Like, sometimes you set goals for yourself, and as you start working towards those goals, you realize that really wasn't the right goal for me right now. And you shift or you pivot to something different. And I think that's okay. As long as you are continuing to move forward and the things you're replacing it with are better moves for you and they're not just excuses for why we didn't do an online course, we did something different that we think will meet the needs of our listeners at present more than our courses would. I think that that's natural in the progression of any business.